Hello everyone, here is the installation and usage tutorial for high-end tunneling dryer. Firstly, place the machine in position as shown in the video. Confirm that the entrance and exit with an operation panel or control box on one side of the entrance. If the placement is incorrect, installation will not be possible and needs to be reconfirmed. Tighten the connecting bolts between the inlet section. During the tightening process, it is necessary to maintain alignment between segments. Then install the entrance bracket. And then install the outlet bracket. Above the roller, lay the mesh belt. Next step, pass the mesh belt through the roller as shown in the picture. The upper roller passes through from below. The lower roller passes through from above. Then connect the mesh belt with wire. Align both sides of the mesh belt as much as possible. Please have a professional electrician connect the power supply. Start the machine. Slightly tighten the mesh bulb and start slowly. If the mesh belt deviates to the left, tighten the left correction bolt clockwise. On the contrary, tighten the correction bolt on the right side clockwise. In the case of slight deviation of the mesh bulb, by using a correction mechanism, the mesh belt can only operate normally. Machines with automatic correction mechanisms need to be connected to a gas source. The gas source pressure is 0.3 to 0.5 MPa. Thank you.